Welcome to our abode. So this is the back of the Promaster when it's bare. You can see some weird aluminum foil things on the walls. That's actually some sound deadener that I added, otherwise it's bare. So I just wanted to show you kind of what we're going to do here. Number one, you can see we have a double seat in the front. We're going to switch that into a single seat with a swivel. We're going to do the typical bed in the back that's raised for a garage. You can see that it's going to go about to here if we do a queen size width. Storage here, accessible from the back. On the front side, you'll have some cabinetry to enter into. We're not really sure how we're going to do that part yet. We do have an oven/sink system that'll go here. We talked about it multiple times. We're back and forth, but we really think based on what we're going to use the van for that we're going to want this shower. So we're going to put the shower and toilet here. The toilet's going to be removable so that you can do the showering without it being a wet bath. Over here, refrigerator and some storage maybe, and some seating here generalized into other spaces in between. And that's the back. That is the plan. Like, subscribe,
comment.
Yes,
If you have any questions, comment.
And then there's a third part. So hit the like button down there if you enjoyed it. If you want to see more, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions or comments, put them below. We'll get to them as soon as possible.